Let the people come online. Wait for 2 minutes. What's your name, dear? Lina. Am I audible to all online students? Guys, reply
Yes,
fast.
sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Now,
My voice will be much more clear. These are Sennheiser headsets. Really good. In fact, let me share screen too. That's more convenient. Check out. Is my PPT visible to you? Everyone, please check. Is it visible to online students?
Yes,
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 sir.
sir. Busy.
Yeah. So till the last class, we have discussed about the Mahil-Nerod theorem, and I have asked you to find out this F cross F, Q minus F cross Q minus F, F cross Q minus F, and Q minus F cross F. Everybody have completed this? क्यों? बेटा कोई अच्छा सा तो बहाना बना कम से कम. कोई अच्छा सा बहाना तो बना कम से कम. किया? क्यों? Guys, let me tell you one thing to all the online students, especially those people who are the foreign national students. See, right now, what is happening? There are 6 students sitting in front of me, all right, which are like face to face, they are sitting, and some people are there in the online mode. Now, two barriers are there. One is the language. With all the Indian students, there are some students who are more comfortable with Hindi or with the regional languages. They are not pretty much comfortable along with English, right? So when I'm addressing them, especially physically in the class, then I may use sometimes Hindi. Okay, so probably some of you, either from the offline people or from the online students, some of you may not understand that what I'm discussing with a particular student, right? But don't be worried about it. Okay, as I told you before also, that I will be addressing each and everyone independently, individually, in his or her own preferred language. All right. So if I'm interacting with some Indian student, and if you are not able to understand that what I'm saying, then don't be bothered about it. Okay. Rather, don't feel separated also. Don't feel, I separated should is not the correct word actually. Don't feel uneasy with that thing. Okay. That's my humble request to everyone, that feel comfortable. Don't worry, when I'll address you personally, definitely I will be preferring your language. Okay. Everybody please make sure to be comfortable with this thing. Okay. And all the students sitting here in the class, I would like you to sit as closer as to me, so that I don't have to shout every time. ठीक है? So ये सब लोग एक रो में आ जाओ, तुम लोग तीनों एक रो में आ जाओ यहीं पर, भले ही एक एक सीट छोड़ के बैठ जाओ। ठीक है, तो ठीक बैठा अपनी जगह पे। यू ऑल्सो कम अहेड। That's okay. Weather is quite comfortable. I'm standing here without fan. Or you can sit here to this seat if you want fan. Fine. So let's start with this. What we are having with us. Now the people who have not solved yesterday, now solve it. Be fast. फटाफट solve करो. You have f, you have q minus f. Okay. What you are supposed to solve is, now from this place, f means what? F does mean all set of final states. All right. So as you can see, what are the final states here? Q2, Q3, Q5, and Q6. Okay. What is Q? Set of all the states. So obviously, what is Q minus F? You have to reduce the final states from all set of states. All right. So first you find out this F and write it. Q minus F. Okay. And Q. Write these things. Come on, be fast. Take 2 minutes for doing this. All the online students, make sure to complete it within 2 minutes. Make it fast. Write F, Q minus F, and Q. Here I'm solving it for you. So can we have the F, please? Everybody can answer. The people who are taking online, they can also answer. The people who are sitting here, they can also answer. Okay. So what is F? Tell me. Q2. We can go back to see the diagram. Q2, Q3, Q5, and Q6. Okay. That is supposed to be F. Q2, Q3, Q5, and Q6. Have we solved these things or not? Have we done with these things? F cross Q minus F and all? That we have to solve. Okay, fine. So this is what your F. What is your Q? In fact, let's directly compute Q minus F. Q will not be required. So can you please tell me Q minus F? Just note it down on your note sheet and then let me know. First compute it here. Q minus F. Compute. Write it. Pen down Q minus F. What is Q minus F? You have to reduce all final states from all set of states. तुम लोग को अंग्रेजी समझ में आती है प्रॉपर? कोई प्रॉब्लम तो नहीं है तीनों को? सुनने में, समझने में, बोलने में प्रॉब्लम है? वी कैन हैव अ म्यूचुअल कॉन्ट्रैक्ट. तुम मुझे गुजराती सिखाओ, मैं तुमको इंग्लिश सिखाऊंगा. फाइन. कंप्यूट Q minus F. बी क्विक. Compute Q minus F and put it on your paper. Yes. So what is Q minus F? Tell me. Q0, Q1, Q4, Q7, and Q8. Anything else? Fine. So now what we have got? We have got two sets. One set is F, one set is Q minus F. Okay. I hope everybody is comfortable with this term of Cartesian product or cross product. Discrete mathematics. Have you covered? Discrete mathematics. Discrete mathematics. Is it covered in the previous semesters? Fine. So everybody must be comfortable with this Cartesian product, right? Nobody should face any problem. So what do you have to find out? You have to find out F cross F. Make it fast. But when you are writing this F cross F, listen to me carefully. When you are writing this F cross F, you have to make sure that you should write only those pairs, only such Qi and Qj where I is less than j. Rest of the pairs should not be written. As you can see, the notes which I am going to give you in those notes also I have written this thing. Okay, so only those pairs in which that suffix, the first suffix, should be less than the second suffix. That means Q0, Q1 is allowed to have. We are not allowed to have Q1, Q0. Okay, fine. Find out F cross F. Be quick. All the online students as well, make it fast. I'm putting myself on mute for 2 minutes. Everybody is supposed to find out this F cross F. Be quick. All online students take 2 minutes. I'm just going to check the offline students note sheets. Okay, till then you please find out F cross F. all the online students, please make sure to to take next 5 to 10 minutes and do these four things, right? What are those four things? Let me show you. First, you are supposed to find out f cross f. All right. Then you are supposed to find out q minus f cross q minus f. And remember, this rule is applicable to all the Cartesian products which we are implementing. All right. Then you are supposed to find out f cross q minus f, and at last you are supposed to find out q minus f cross f. All four Cartesian products should be found. Okay, so you have to find out all four Cartesian products. Take 5 minutes, 7 minutes. I'm putting myself on mute. My video will be off. Okay, I'm leaving you with these slides where I have written f and where I have written q minus f. What you are supposed to do, you are supposed to solve all of them. Okay, I'm going to address all the offline students. I'm going to check whether they are doing correct or not. But for next 5 to 7 minutes, be concentrated on this and find out all these things. All right, is everybody comfortable with this? All online students,
Yes,
generate a
sir.
quick response.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Fine. So take 5 7 minutes and complete this. All online students, are you comfortable enough with this one? Or if anybody is facing problem, you can ask me. Fine. So let's move on. Let's move on to compute F cross F. So can you please tell me what is F cross F? Q2, Q3, Q2, Q5, Q2, Q6, Q3, Q5. All the online students can also speak. Yes. What next? Q3, Q6, Q5, Q6. Anything else? Are you getting the same? All the online students, are you getting the same or any problem in this?
Yes, sir.
Fine.
Yes, sir.
Good one. Next. Tell me Q minus F cross Q minus F. Q0, Q1, Q0, Q4, Q0, Q7, Q0, Q8. Mahel-Nerot theorem is a big topic. So everybody keep the patience. Okay. It will take 2 to 3 classes. For all these 2 to 3 classes, we will keep on discussing Mahel-Nerot theorem only. It's a big process, huge process. And if you will get a question out of this, then also it will be a big question. Okay. Whatever is the maximum number of marks, generally it has been asked in those marks only. सबसे बड़े marks का जो question आएगा पेपर में वो Mahel-Nerot theorem से ही होगा. ठीक है. फाइन. सो कीप द पेशेंस. 2-3 क्लास चलेगी आराम से, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. उतने नंबर दे रही है ये. 3 क्लास का कंटेंट है तो इट इज गिविंग 3 क्लास मार्क्स. आउट ऑफ दोस 3 क्लास इफ यू आर गेटिंग 15 मार्क्स, it's not a bad deal. Okay, fine. So let's move on to this. Next. Q1, Q4. You speak. Q1, Q8. Q1, Q8, then Q4, Q7, Q4, Q8, Q7, Q8. What more? Done? Finished? All the online students check. तुम लोग दोनों चेक करो. सेम आ रहा है? करो, कैलकुलेट करो फटाफट. All the online students, please do find out. Are you getting the same one?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Good. Very good. Now check for rest of two things also. F cross Q minus F and Q minus F cross F. So can I have this one? F cross Q minus F. Lena, you speak this. Q2, Q7, Q2, Q8, Q3, Q4, Q3, Q7, then Q3, Q8, then Q5, Q7, Q5, Q8, Q6, Q7, Q6, Q8. Anything else? Everybody else find out. Are you getting the same? अभी बोर्ड से कॉपी नहीं करना है, खुद से सॉल्व करना है. You have to raise your speed. इतने स्पीड से करेगा तो पेपर में टोटल 15 ही नंबर रह जाएंगे तेरे पास. 2-2.5 घंटा लग जाएगा तेरे को उसको सॉल्व करने में. बहुत बड़ा क्वेश्चन होता है. ठीक है, इस पे ज्यादा प्रैक्टिस करना. All the online students, please check. Are you getting the same thing
Yes, sir.
for f cross q minus
Yes,
f?
sir.
Good. Next, the last thing which we have to find out is q minus f cross f. Yes, tell me. हो गया? करो. Everybody please calculate. Q minus f cross f. Find it out. बोलो. Q0, Q2, Q0, Q3, Q0, Q5, Q0, Q6, Q1, Q2, Q1, Q3, Q1, Q5, Q1, Q6, Q4, Q5, Q4, Q6. Anything else? Everybody check. Are you getting the same thing?
Yes, sir.
Perfect. So that these are the 4 Cartesian products which you have to find out. Okay. Now, after this, what we are supposed to do? After this, we are supposed to create this table. Okay. What you have to create? You have to create the transition table out of the given transition diagram. And we already made sure this we have discussed yesterday that this transition diagram should not contain any unreachable state. Mahel-Néraud works if and only if your diagram does not contain any unreachable state. DFA में कोई unreachable state रहेगा तो Mahel-Néraud theorem उस पे काम नहीं कर सकता है. ठीक है. Since इसमें पहले से ही since this diagram was already free from unreachable states, so definitely we can start working on this. All right. Now what you are supposed to do? You are supposed to create a transition table for this. Do it fast. I'm leaving you with the diagram for next 2 minutes. I'll give only 2 minutes to convert this because this is something we have done so many number of times. Okay. I'm putting myself on mute. All right. And leaving you with this diagram. Everybody is supposed to complete this diagram within, convert this diagram into the table within next 2 minutes. Okay. I'm just checking the offline students worksheet. All the online students spend 2 minutes with this and convert it. After 2 minutes, I'll check with you. Yes, have you completed all the online students?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Have you done with this one? Check yourself. You must be getting this kind of table. Check your table with this. किसी को भी टेबल कॉपी नहीं करना है. Nobody should copy this table from the board or from the solutions. You are supposed to make this table on your own. Copy करोगे तो you will not be able to practice. And if you will not practice for this, your speed will never raise. You will always be working on the same pace. And I told you already, this is a big question. And you will have maximum 15 minutes in your exam to do this. Otherwise, paper छूट जाएगा आपका. After this, you are supposed to create this kind of matrix. After doing that, you are supposed to create this kind of matrix. You must have written all q minus f cross f, everything like that. Okay. Now, after doing that, you are supposed to create this kind of matrix on your notebook. Okay. And from this particular one, I will tell you that how to fill these numbers. Okay. Fine. First, you create this matrix. Everybody from the online students as well, create this matrix. The one which you can see on your screen, create this matrix with you. Why it is Q0 to Q8? Because it is referring to Q of the current question. Set of all the states from the current question. It is referring to that. Again, I'm putting myself on mute for 2 minutes. Meanwhile, you are supposed to create this matrix. Make it fast. Everybody have done it? All the online students, have you completed with this? Fine. Now what you are supposed to do, for all such entries where our initial rule is not applicable, for example, the all the lower diagonal plus the lower triangular part, okay, they will be marked as dash. So all the diagonal elements, q0 q0 q1 q1 q2 q2, like that, you have to mark a dash on all the diagonal elements. Not only diagonal, but the lower triangular part also. So whatever is less than diagonal, they also should be marked as dash. Mark a dash everywhere below diagonal and diagonal. Okay, and rest of the things we will discuss in the next class. First, let's cover the attendance of this class. Everybody is supposed to mark the diagonal, mark a dash on the diagonal. अरे इसमें उससे क्या पूछना है? इसमें डायगोनल पे, डायगोनल मतलब समझता है ना, मैट्रिक्स का डायगोनल, बस वो डायगोनल पे और डायगोनल के नीचे हर जगह पे डैश मार्क कर देना है. लोअर ट्रायंगुलर मतलब डायगोनल के नीचे. All the online students do this, and now be ready for your attendance. We are going to conduct it. टेक अ पेपर, एक स्लिप लो और पांचों का रोल नंबर और नाम लिख कर दो. Today is 21. Now TD1 students. Yes, all TD1 students, mark your attendance. Roll number 14, Khushal.
Present, sir.
80,
Present, sir.
002, Dhruvil. 003, Hasti.
Present, sir. Present, sir.
4, Bansi.
Present, sir. Present.
5, Rutvik. 5, Rutvik. 6, roll number 6, Vaibhav. Roll number 8, Nancy.
Present, sir.
9, Mansi.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
11, roll number 11, Utsav. 13, Jeet. 14, roll number 14, Jay.
Yes, sir.
15, Pratik.
Yes, sir.
16, Dhrutik. 29, Ayush. 32, Rohan. 19, Ghazi Abbas.
Yes, sir.
बेटा जोर से बोलो अटेंडेंस. 19, Ghazi Abbas.
Yes, sir.
Okay. 4001, Hardik. 4002, 4003, मानस, मानव. कोई बात नहीं, दोनों का मतलब तो एक ही है. 4, विवेक कुमार.
Yes, sir.
5, वासु. 6. Tejas.
Present, sir.
7. Manan.
Present, sir.
8. Yatin.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
9. Kushant. 10. Deep. Again 4001. Sham.
Yes, sir.
002. Ria. Fine. Done with this. Mark it for TD2 now. Tell me those roll numbers who are present. One by one. Tell me all those roll numbers who are present.
4031.
4031. 4031. Hiba.
4049, sir.
Your name is Hiba. 4031. Are you Hiba?
Sir. Yes, sir.
Hiba, are you in hostel?
Yes, sir.
Why you are not coming to the class?
Sir, I'm tired because yesterday I took the vaccine.
Yesterday what happened?
I take the vaccine in city.
You have taken vaccine yesterday.
Yes, sir.
Fine. So when you will come to the class?
When I feel I'm good.
And when you will feel good?
I don't know.
May I please know? Be here from the next class onwards.
Yes, sir.
Fine. After this, next one. 4031 is present. Who is next? Make it fast, guys. We don't have enough time. I have next
4049.
lecture.
4049.
4049. Heather.
Yes, sir.
4049 is Heather.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Why you are not in the class?
I'm in class, sir, but online.
It's like definitely I'm asking about offline class. It's but obvious.
Sir, I'm comfortable with online class nowadays. Like,
It's not about comfort zone. It's about college has opened and now you are supposed to take the offline classes if you are present in the institute.
but actually, the news, nobody said like it's supposed to go like, we have the choice between offline and online. If there is like no choice, definitely we'll come for offline class.
Consider it. Consider myself as the first person who is telling you. Choice is being given to the students. Try to understand the reason of that choice. The reason is because we want to make it comfortable for those people also who are not right now in the institute. But if you are in the institute, still you are taking online classes. It's not good. You should come to the class.
Okay,
Don't
sir.
you want the
Okay,
offline
sir.
interaction with the faculties? Tell me this.
No, I want, sir, for sure. I want.
Then what is the problem?
There is no problem, sir. Actually, like,
Come to the next
this
class.
week I will be in offline class.
Come to the next class. Fine. After this 4049, who
Yeah,
else
for
is
sure,
present?
for sure.
Make it fast. After 4049, who else
407,
is
sir.
present? 4060. Ali Hussein.
Yeah, sir. Here. Present.
Fine. The same words to you. Whatever I've said
Yeah,
to
sir. I hear
4049.
it. I will
Yeah,
start
please make
from
sure.
next class. Yeah,
Everybody start coming to the
For
online
sure,
class,
sir.
offline classes, all right? Physically. Fine. Who's next? After this, 4060, who is next?
4025, sir.
4025. Your name?
Ibrahim Inusa.
Fine. Next one.
4056, sir.
4056. Your name?
Ali Zulfikar.
Fine. Next one. Anybody else who is present in the class?
Hello, sir.
Don't say hello. Say your roll number.
Yes, sir. I am from TD1 4011. Utsav, go ahead.
मार्क क्यों नहीं किया आपने अटेंडेंस उस वक्त?
सर नेटवर्क इश्यू चला गया था, नेटवर्क स्लो हो गया था सर.
ठीक है, I'll see to it.
सर
क्या नंबर है तुम्हारा?
4011. I am writing in chat box, sir.
Don't write in chat box. मैं जो पूछ रहा हूँ वो बताओ. Tell me your name. Tell me your name.
उत्सव गोयल, सर.
नाम बोलो अपना फटाफट.
उत्सव गोयल. Yes.
हाँ, उत्सव गोहिल. रोल नंबर बोलो.
4011, सर.
बेटा पूरा रोल नंबर बोल.
9190010401.
ठीक है, फाइन. मैं मार्क कर दूंगा. Inside
Thank you,
TD2, in TD2 is there anybody else? Roll numbers. 4017. Lina Hassan. 4018. Hassan Nauman. Fine. Done with the attendance. All online students can leave the session. This is my sincere advice to everyone. Be available with the classes.